Tracking a warm front moving through mid-Missouri this afternoon, you could certainly see the difference it's making. 36 degrees in Macon, close to 60 degrees near the Interstate 44 corridor. That split is going to be what's dictating that potential of snow into the overnight hours, with that one lone winter weather advisory for Macon County that expires into early tomorrow morning. But some of those sprinkles being fired off by that warm front, although we do have quite a bit of dry air at the surface, so most of those are evaporating before they reach the ground. But you can kind of see the split with the rain south of the warm front and the snow off to the north. Omaha looking like they're going to be getting a pretty good bout of snow from this. Anywhere between Missouri and the Iowa border is probably going to be close to a foot of snow by the time we get to early tomorrow morning, and nothing like that is expected here in mid-Missouri, as we're already into the 50s with a few peaks of sunshine, seeing the sunshine reflect on some of these vehicles here at the Machins Toyota Cam here in north central Columbia. Seeing those rain shower chances, though, beginning to increase here in portions of mid-Missouri, especially along Interstate 70 and points off to the north as we're headed into this afternoon. Not going to be expecting anything too terribly widespread early on this afternoon. The steady rainfall comes as we head into the overnight hours. Again, some snow may mix in, but in general, most of us are going to be avoiding any sort of major wintry weather. Here's those rain shower chances here into this afternoon. You can see how most of them are located from Moberly on to the north. Those will continue to kind of push their way eastbound before that front begins to slide its way further and further to the south overnight tonight. Sometime after about midnight, let's think anywhere between 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, we start to see a more widespread swath of rain develop across the region. And that will last through about sunrise. You can see how the mixing line gets fairly close to the Interstate 70 corridor. We may see a flurry or two into early tomorrow morning before it quickly moves on out of the area. The bigger weather story, not necessarily for us here in mid-Missouri, but oh so close. Talking about a wide strip of 6 to 10 inches of snowfall. They're going to get it very, very quickly, and it's going to fall very heavily. They could be talking about some issues with power outages. Again, thankfully that is just off to our north, and we're not going to be dealing with any issues in that department. Into this weekend, I think we're all rooting for this. Some warmer temperatures are back into the low to mid 60s. Perhaps a small rain chance very early on Sunday morning, but that looks to pretty quickly move on out of the area. And those temperatures look like they're going to continue to remain mild into next week.